Hindi ko po maintindihan sa kanila kung bakit po sila galit na galit sa aming mga skater. Wala naman po kami ginagawang masama. Kaya nga po, skateboarding is not a crime. Ayun po yung talagang pinaglalaban namin.
Sa bahay namin may spot, kaso po pinapaalis po kami doon ng mga barangay tanod.
Mas maganda sana kung bibigyan lang kami ng skatepark para hindi na kukulitan yung mga guard sa amin.
Tingin kasi dito sa atin sa skater, hindi edukado. Tingin nila walang alam, bastos, salbahe, pasaway. Hindi nila alam mas maraming professional dito. May mga doktor, nurse, abogado. May pulis pa nga na skater .
Mga guards po kasi, di po sila minsan nagbibigay ng warning. Basta po nila hinuhuli yung mga skateboard. Tulad po yung nangyari sa The Port. Ganun po yung ginawa nila. Basta po nila sinakay sa sasakyan.
Ba't kailangan po talaga may baril po yung mga mga huli? Parang yun lang po.
Nagkaroon na kami ng incident niyan. Yung mga guards, binawalan kami. Kinuha yung mga boards namin. Then pati yung mga nakabandal doon sa amin binintang. Hindi naman namin ginawa. So tuwing maglalaro kami doon, hinaharas na kami. Pagka hindi na kaya ng mga guards, tumatawag sila ng police. Yun ang nagpapaalis sa amin.
Dati po nakaranas na rin po kami na hinuli po kami ng barangay. Maingay daw kami. Nakakasira daw kami ng flooring. Basta bawal daw pumadyak sa kalsada. 30 days na kulong.
Doon po sa bahay namin may spot, kaso po pinapaalis po kami doon ng mga barangay tanod. Sinisira daw po namin yung lugar. Pangit daw po yung skateboarding, aksidente kayo, minumura po kami.
Paul has been skating for about 4 years already. He started when he was about 6 or 7 years old. Since then, never stopped.
Sometimes I skate in my village around, yeah. The guards, like, tell me, di pwede dito skate.
People can be discriminating towards skaters. They have a certain rap. People think that they travel in gangs or things like that, and it annoys me because I know that that's not the truth at all. We've had our problems in our area, definitely. I remember a couple of times where I've actually had to go to the park and get really pissed off at the guards there because they were trying to bully my son and his friends when they would skate. So they would go to an empty parking lot and they wouldn't be allowed to skate there either, because they were told that they would break things and the noise and all of that. So it's been really difficult.
In our village, there's like a lot of cars passing. It's not safe to skate, but like can't stop, yeah.
I started skateboarding, I think, when I was in grade school. And then I introduced skateboarding to my son, Diego. And I saw the interest in him na matutong mag-skate.
Mas gusto ko po mag-skateboard kaysa sa ibang sport ko po. Sa mga basketball po, ganyan. Hindi po mahirap mag-skate, basta malakas lang po loob nyo. Dapat po matibay po dito.
when he started skateboarding, parang mas na-enhance yung discipline niya.
Mas sinuura ko po yung pag-aaral ko kaysa po sa skateboarding kasi skate hard but study harder.
Bago ako mag-skate talaga, addict talaga ako sa mga computer games. Dota, Counter, mga ganun. Simula nung natuto mag-skateboard na about 1 month, nawawala na rin eh, unting-unting nawawala. Siguro pagka nag-computer ako, 1 hour, ganun, check lang ng tricks.
Mag-boost yung confidence mo sa skateboarding kasi kailangan mo ng matinding lakas ng loob para maglaro. Tapos magamit mo rin yung lahat ng parte ng katawan mo, parang sport nga eh.
Hilig ko lang mag-skate. Gustuhan ko siyang sports, pampapawis. Marami ako nakikilalang mga tao, mga friendship. Ayun. Kaya gusto ko mag-skate.
Sabihin natin next 10 years, pagka nagkaasawa or anak na ako, or tuturuan ko pa yung mga anak ko, wag lang yung manigarilyo, wag lang yung alak, wag lang yung... Ito lang, skate.
People just have they have a misconception about skaters, you know. I think if they only knew though, you know, that a lot of them are the nicest people really, you know. I mean, like they're very supportive of each other, and I see that in a lot of events that we go to with Paolo and stuff. You know, you see the support. There's no, you know, of course there's a friendly competition and stuff, but they really, in the end, just all support each other, and it's great.
Start ako mag-skate way back 1995. It's been 17 years. Sa street pa rin ako naglalaro hanggang ngayon. Walang pagbabago.
I just feel that, you know, if they're not going to give the kids a chance to skate in the streets or whatever, then we have to do something about it. And we have to give them a place to skate. You know, because, you know, you never know, you might have the future of skateboarding here too, in the Philippines.
Kung magkaroon tayo ng skatepark dito, malaking tulong sa mga skater yon kasi mag-i-improve yung mga skills natin maglaro.
If they build skate parks here, it's gonna be easier to practice, like for bigger competitions and stuff, and it's gonna help us in becoming what we want to be.
Please continue to support our skateboarding scene kasi sayang kung mawawala. Ang daming natutulong, ang daming benefits like friendship, tapos yung camaraderie ang ganda eh. Kahit saan ka magpunta, meron kang kaibigan.
Gusto ko po sana na pakinggan niyo po itong hinanakit namin sa inyo kasi hindi naman po kami masasamang tao. Masaya lang po kami sa pag-skate. Skateboarding is our life. Kaya yung konting hiling po namin sana po pagbigyan niyo po para magkaroon po kami ng sariling laruan. Ayun po. Salamat po.
Let these kids skate. Let these kids ride. Let them play. All they need is a playground. Let's give it to them.